Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, you'll need a set of specific tools for this repair: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, plastic opening tools, and a small container for screws. Start by turning off your Lenovo laptop and unplugging it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, remove the battery if it's detachable. This step is often overlooked but is essential to prevent any electrical issues during the repair. Now, using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the back panel. Keep the screws organized in your container so you won't lose them. Once the back panel is removed, locate the hinge assembly. You'll notice that the hinges are usually connected with a few screws. Take your time here. If you're unsure, refer to the service manual for your specific Lenovo model. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to do it yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop repaired without any hassle. Now, examine the hinges for any signs of damage or wear. If they are loose, you may need to tighten the screws or replace the hinges altogether. Ensure the screws are not stripped. If they are, you might have to use a rubber band in the screw head to get a better grip. This can be an effective temporary fix. As you work, take a moment to clean the internal components around the hinges. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris. This not only improves airflow but also prevents overheating issues in the future. If you're unsure about cleaning or need a thorough service, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. After ensuring everything is clean and secure, reassemble the laptop by carefully replacing the back panel. Ensure all screws are tightened appropriately. If you find that your laptop is still not functioning correctly, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you can make informed decisions about your next steps. Finally, reinsert the battery and plug your laptop back in. Power it on and check to see if the hinges are functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our services include no calls, no travel, which means you can get your laptop serviced right from the comfort of your home. In summary, repairing Lenovo laptop hinges requires careful handling and attention to detail. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can successfully restore your laptop's functionality. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.